Hello, today I provide you 5 solutions to speed up the Windows. I hope you like this program and try to subscribe me. The first solution: identify and close high-use programs. The first step to speed up the Windows is to identify and close heavy and intensive programs. Using heavy programs slows down the Windows and your Windows will be live for a few minutes. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to the Processes tab. For example, if Photoshop is opened, a high volume of Windows capacity is allocated to it. In order to disable the program that caused your Windows to be locked, click on the End Task option to disable the program. The second solution: increase the speed of Windows by reducing the use of animation. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select the System option, or use the Win plus X combination. In the next window, search for Advanced System Settings option. At this stage, the System Properties window and the Advanced tab are displayed, where you should click on the settings located in the Performance section. Now a window similar to the image below appears. In order to reduce the Windows animation and speed up the Windows, you can select Adjust for Best Performance at the bottom of the Visual Effects section to use the appropriate performance for Windows, and finally save the settings by clicking the OK. Also, by using the Custom option, you can disable only the options that you don't want to use. The third solution: disable startup programs. First, click on the taskbar and run the Task Manager and select the Startup tab. In this way, you can experience significantly faster speed in Windows by disabling the auto-run programs. Programs that are in standby mode right after Windows starts up are disabled, and whenever you need to run these programs again, you can directly enter the program and run it. Now, what you have to do is to right-click and select the Disable option for any program that don't need to run automatically. Change its status in the status column from enabled to disabled so that they don't start working as soon as Windows starts up. For example, AnyDesk or Skype. The fourth solution: optimize hard disk space. If you are using a mechanical hard disk and you don't have SSD hard disk memory, it's better from time to time to consolidate your hard disk space by using Windows Disk Defragmenter and eliminate the empty spaces created on the disk. This will improve memory and help the operating system find files and process them. To do this, search for Disk Defragmenter in Windows, Start, and click it to open. Then, similar to the image below, select each of your drives in turn and click on the Optimize button to optimize your hard disk memory space. Using the Change Settings button, you can also choose this process automatically at daily, weekly, or monthly intervals to be done automatically and in the background of Windows without going through the process yourself. This process takes some time, so be patient. The fifth solution: search and remove viruses and malware. The best way to fight viruses and malware and remove them from infected devices is to use an up-to-date and reliable antivirus. In Windows 10, you can use Windows Defender antivirus to scan and remove malware. For this, just follow the steps below one by one. Type Windows Security in the search box and choose the first search result. Choose the Virus and Threat Protection. Choose Scan. Choose the full scan. Choose the Scan Now. This process also takes time. Wait until the scan is finished. The sixth solution: restore system files. Using DSIM to fix problems related to system files increases the stability and relative improvement in performance. For this, just follow the steps below. 1. Press Windows key plus X at the same time. 2. Select Command Prompt or Admin in the opened window. You may see PowerShell instead of Command Prompt at this stage. This is one of the changes that is applied to Windows 10. 3. Type the following command and click the Enter button. Then wait for the process to complete. It takes a little time and then immediately order Run SFC. In order to use SFC to download the replacement of incomplete, damaged, and deleted files, just follow the steps below. Type SFC, scan now, and wait for the process to complete. The seventh solution. Press the Win plus R button and type msconfig. Then go to the Services tab and activate Hide all Microsoft services. Now the main Windows services are hidden and you can disable the others and reset the system to speed up the Windows. There are also many other ways, such as increasing the RAM memory of the system or using SSD memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's fruitful for you. Please support me by subscribing in my channel. Thank you so much and goodbye.